Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Shoban. Today I will teach you how you can create an Alexa skill so that it will respond when you say open my gift. So I came up with this idea of surprising my wife during Valentine's Day, and she liked it very much. So she basically interacted with Alexa with the open my gift command, and then Alexa presented with the subsequent questions, and it was fun. So without any further delay, let's get started. And so we have a few prerequisites in order to have the skill. Okay, so the first thing is Node.js. Okay, so I'm not gonna install all that just to keep it short. So I have already installed Node.js, but I will take you to the page. So basically, you come to this URL where you have to download Node.js if you have not already. If you don't have already Node.js, so you need to install that. It's just a simple basic instructions that you can read. Just download the LTS version based on the platform you're using. All right, so next is set up an Amazon developer account. So you just open up this URL. Don't worry, I'll mention all these prerequisites in the video description, so you can refer from there. So you can go to developer.amazon.com like that, and then you have to sign up for a developer account, okay, in order to proceed. So you click here, sign in, and then you can click here to create an account. So I'm not going to do that because I have already created an account. So it's basically an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use that, and it's just super easy. And once you sign in with your existing Amazon account, it will ask you some questions. There's no payment or no fees involved in here. So yeah, so basically you go through those prompts and then finally select Alexa skill. There will be a few options. So basically you have to select the Alexa one, okay? Anyway, so just sign up for an account, and that's it. So basically you will see the screen once you sign in successfully. You should be presented with this kind of screen, and you'll be able to go to your console. Yeah, like that. So see, so right now, as you can see, I don't have any skills present. Okay, so let's go back to the list. So the next thing is you have to install the Ask CLI. So I have again put a link to how to install that. It's again very simple. I know it's a lot of prerequisites, but it's required. Okay, so this link is the page for which actually is the documentation, official documentation, in order to get you started with Ask CLI. So you have to have this Amazon developer account, which you already created, and then Node.js, we already have it. So you can verify if you already have Node or NPM. I think it comes with Node.js installation. So you'll be able to verify if you have NPM installed or not by using which. And so I'm using Mac here. All right, so yeah, so just do these steps. It's super easy. Yeah, and so now let's go back to this list. And once we have Ask CLI, I'm guessing you should have Git if you're a developer. If not, it's also super easy to set up Git. Again, I will include the link in the description. So when you come up on the Git webpage, just follow the steps. All right, so the last step is to set up AWS CLI. And again, I will include the link. So basically, this is the page where you need to set up the AWS CLI. So yeah, basically this is the page, official page, which describes the process of setting up the CLI. So I have the CLI installed already. So if I type which AWS, it's responding. And if I type which ask, it's responding. So at this point, I have all this installed. Okay, so let's get started with the rest of the steps. Okay, so can copy the GitHub link and then go to any empty directory and then clone it. like so. Okay, and next thing you would do is set up the AWS account. Actually, so you need to have an AWS account because we'll be using services like Lambda, and obviously for that you need an AWS account. So you can obviously sign up for AWS free tier. So if you don't know that, go to google.com and type AWS free tier. So that's all you need to get started with AWS free tier. You'll create a free account. You need to have a credit card, but don't worry, it doesn't ask a huge charge. It's probably $1 or even less. I'm not sure, but it comes with a lot of goodies, and it's basically free services with, of course, some limitation for a year. But that's more than enough for this project. All right, so I already have signed in to my AWS console. So we need to have an IAM user for this particular project. So I'll go to type IAM. So IAM is basically Identity Access Management for AWS. So I will create a user, add user. So let's choose any username that you like. I have used my name, Shoban. We will need the access type. I will choose programmatic access. And next, permissions. And we will choose existing policies. And let's choose predefined IAM policies to make life easier. Lambda. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is obviously now the best practices. You should choose a policy with fine-grained control. And basically what you just need, but just to keep it short, I am choosing pre-existing policies. So hit next, and it looks fine to me, and hit create user. Okay, so this basically created the IAM user for me. So yeah, so this is my access key ID and secret access. Make sure to write them down somewhere, because you just see it only once. If you close the screen, you won't get this information again. So one other option is to have it downloaded somewhere. I'm not going to do that. So let's keep it here for now. Let's see. Okay, so I now head over to the CLI. So I will basically set up my AWS CLI to use those secret key and ID. Okay. So Command C, Command V, and again Command C, Command V. WQ is to save this. Okay, so now this AWS credentials are set up, and make sure you have your default region configured to whatever you feel like. So I have used US East 1 for my project. Okay, so yeah, so I already have my project checked out from Git. I'll just change the directory, and now I need to set up Amazon developer account with this AWS account. So for that, you need to type ask configure. So basically, what this is doing is configuring the Alexa, the developer account with the AWS account. So don't worry, you will understand once I execute this. So ask configure, type enter. Okay, so now it's asking, you want to create a new profile. I will go with the default. So what this will do, it will open up a browser page. Okay, so since I'm already logged in, it's asking to allow sign in to Alexa Skills Kit. So ASK is basically Alexa Skills Kit. Okay, so I will hit allow, and now the sign in was successful. So if you are not already signed in, it will present with you with the login screen for developer account, and just provide your email and password. That's it. And you can close this one and come back to the terminal. So do you want to link your AWS account in order to host your Alexa skills? Yes. And choose from the following AWS profiles. Default, yes. Hit enter. And now we are set up. I'll just check where I am. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so I'll just clear the screen. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is ask deploy and hit enter. So what this is doing is basically taking the source code which you checked out from Git, basically the source code you have from Git. It's just basically building that and deploying all the skills for Alexa, and also it will create the lambda function in your AWS account. So once this is done, we should be able to see a lambda function in here, a new one. So if you type lambda, so right now you see there's just one function. So basically once this is deployed, it will create a lambda function as well as a new skill. So looks like the skill IDs has been generated. This should take about a minute or two, so I'll just wait. Okay, looks like it's completed. Okay, so let's check on the developer console. So see if we have a skill. So we'll just refresh the page, and there you go. So you have a new skill already. So what that command did, it's basically created a skill as well as a lambda function. So I'll just refresh this page so that you can see. Yeah, so as you can see, it created this lambda function and a skill for you. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to the testing. This is where the fun part is. So hit test, and basically you can either type in here in this window, or you can click this microphone icon and then give the command via your voice. So I'm not going to do that. I'll just type open my gift.
Hello. I see you are looking for your Valentine's Day gift. Please ask me where is my gift.
Yeah, so basically you did provide a voice input, open my gift, which is the invocation command, and Alexa responds with a welcome message, and you need to ask where's my gift to proceed.
Your partner told me you love chocolates and flowers. Which one would you prefer the most, chocolates or flowers?
So I'll respond with I love chocolate.
I wish I could go there and give you chocolates. But sorry, I am not a human. Before I go, I must tell you something. Your partner loves you so much and never stops thinking about you even when writing code. Next time, I would learn to arrange to deliver chocolates to your place. I wish you two a very happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, so that's the entire flow. So let's say at some point you provide some other input. Let's say other than chocolates or flowers, it will present to you with a generic field message. Oh, let's just do that. So open. Let's try first my gift again.
Your partner told me you love chocolates and flowers. Which one would you prefer the most, chocolates or flowers?
Okay, so let's just type nothing. So it didn't respond. Okay, which is right. So I think I created the generic field. Anyway, I will include that. So I won't bore you with the details. So let's just open this one for the project, so that I can show you how you can quickly modify the skill if you want. So basically, you open up this JSON file, which is basically the skill. So if you let's go over to the skills on the developer console and click here, skill name. Okay, so click expand the interaction model, intents. Okay, so this is the intent. These are the intents actually. So if you don't know what are the intents, I would encourage you to read. Basically, the intent means possible. So basically, what a user might say to invoke this intent. So and based on the intent, Alexa would signal a particular lambda function. Anyway, so it will respond to this phrases. What's my gift? What's the gift? Something like that. So you can always add this intent, and yeah, that's it. So play with it if you'd like, and then there's different slots which you can add. Anyway, let's go back to the code. So the scale and the intents can be all written in the form of a JSON, like here. So if you want to, let's say, change the prompt, so you can change it in here. So like you can see, your partner told me chocolates, flowers, and flowers. Which one did you prefer? So maybe you want to change this message to something else of your liking. And also, the welcome message, if you want to change it, you can do so by going to the lambda index.js. So this is the welcome message. Hello, I see you are looking for your Valentine's Day gift. So maybe you want to change it to hello, I see you're looking for a gift or Christmas present or whatever. So please ask me where's my gift, and then yeah, and then you can come in the JSON file to make the prompt different. So it's basically asking the second question. It's asking about your preference, and then you can change change the slots. You can add them. So let's say if you have different gifts, chocolates, flowers, or I don't know, balloons or something. So you can add it here if you'd like. And so and then on the index.js, you can see there will be a handler for the completed my gift intent. So in there, the final message, you can also change it if you'd like. You can change the text to whatever you feel like. I wish I could go there and give you whatever you've chosen, maybe chocolates or flowers. But sorry, so you get the idea, right? So just modify it, and then basically you just need to deploy. So basically ask deploy again. So that's about it, and have fun with it. I hope you like it. Just one last note here is if you want, you can always come to your skills. If you want to delete your skills, just choose action here and click delete, and that would delete the skill. And then also on the lambda function console. So if you don't know how to get in here, just type in the search for lambda, and then sorry, and then choose the lambda function, and then action delete. So that's that if you need to clear your lambda function. All right, so that's all about it. I hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you learned anything, or if you liked it. Feel free to share this video with your friends if you'd like, and let me know if you have any suggestions to improve this one. And thank you. I will see you next time.